Hello, my name is Jonathan. Today we'd like to talk to you about our special Dent center tabs. They have some interesting features and we'd like to share those with you because they're very special as a finishing tab. So we have two of them, two different ones. We have the ice quality. That's a rigid tab, as all our other qualities are rigid and flexible. These are the same materials, flexible blue or rigid ice. But what's so different about them? They have a smooth surface for a good adhesion on the dents you want to finish. But what's so special on these tabs is the feature I'm going to explain to you right now. As you know, all the heads of tabs flex a little bit when you pull a dent. The shafts of all these faces from 5, 7, 9, 13, 17 and 21 millimeter have a different neck. And that causes the face of the tab to act differently when you pull the face. So the flexibility of every face is different because there are different necks to the tab. Why did we do that? Well, as we said before, it's a finishing tab. All the other tabs we have are so strong that you need to decide using a puller or a lifter or a robo lifter when to stop if you finish a dent. And in a lot of occasions you over pull it and gives you an extra knockdown session. These don't. If you only need to lift it, a minor detail, go to the finest or the thinnest one we have with a thin neck, and it will only bring up that detail that you want to bring up. The rest, same thing. The bigger the detail or the bigger the small dent is that you want to bring up, just find the exact face that you want to use, smaller than the crowns around it, and just pull up the center. So, I hope I could convince you the valuable tab that we have to finish off the hail or other dents that you are repairing today. If you want to know more about these ones, go and visit our website kecotabs.com or click the link below.